Hello, my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. Warm greetings to you all. My dear little learners, today's video is of English. New poem, Bedtime. It's a beautiful poem with a beautiful meaning. So, first we will do reading of this poem to clear out our pronunciation. Then I will explain you meaning of this poem. And at the end, we will recite this poem all together. So let us begin with the reading part. Bedtime. The evening is coming. The sun sinks to rest. The rooks are all flying straight home to the nest. Caw, says the rook, as he flies overhead. It's time, little people, we're going to bed. The butterfly, drowsing, has folded its wing. The bees are returning, no more the birds sing. Their labor is over, their nestlings are fed. It's time, little people, we're going to bed. Good night, little people. Good night and good night. Sweet dreams to your eyelids till dawning of light. The evening has come. There is no more to be said. It's time, little people. We're going to bed. It's time, little people. We're going to bed. Paraphrase. So my dear little friends, in this poem the poet has explained or set the scene of the evening. It is evening and the sun is setting. The rooks are flying home to their nests. Rooks means a kind of bird. So as you all know, in the evening the sun sets at the west side, and when the sun is setting down, the rooks, means all kind of birds, are flying back to their home, means back to their nest. As the rook flies in the sky, it says that it is time for all little people to go to bed. The sleepy butterfly has folded its wings and the bees are returning to their hives. तो अब तक हमने यहाँ पे देखा कि जो रुक्स, जो ये बर्ड्स का एक टाइप है, जैसे ये वापस उनके नेस्ट में जा रहे हैं शाम के टाइम पे, उनके साथ साथ और कौन जा रहा है? स्लीपी बटरफ्लाई. बटरफ्लाई जो पूरा दिन यहाँ वहाँ उड़ता है, अभी वो भी थक गया है, उसे भी नींद आ रही है. एंड सो इट हैज़ फोल्डेड इट्स विंग्स. उसने अपने विंग्स को फोल्ड करके वो सोने जा रहा है. एंड द बीज आर रिटर्निंग टू देयर हाइव्स. जो हनी बीज है पूरा दिन यहाँ वहाँ फ्लावर्स पे घूमते हैं हनी कलेक्ट करने के लिए, वो भी अभी अपने हाइव्स की तरफ, अपने घर की तरफ निकल पड़े हैं. The birds have stopped singing. Their work is over and the little baby birds in the nest have been fed. Whole day birds are flying here and there. They are chirping, they are singing. Now they have also stopped. They have also fed their small babies. And now they all are going to sleep. Their work is over. They too are ready to sleep. And it's time the little people too were going to bed. So, as I said, all are going to their nest. Animals, birds, insects. So they are telling other people also, now it is time for you all to go to bed. Now you also get over with your work and take a rest. At the end of this poem, the poet wishes the little people good night and sweet dreams till it is day again. We all should have this good habit, my dear little friends. Before you go to bed, you should wish all your family members, those are staying with you, you should wish them good night and sweet dreams. I know you all must be saying this to your family members before you go to bed. And so the poet also wishes for everyone that may you all have a good night and sweet dreams till it is day again. He says the evening has come and there should be no more talk, for it's time for the little people to go to bed. Whole day we go here and there, we talk with many people, we do many things, many activities. But now poet is saying that the evening has come, the evening has arrived, it's the evening time, the sun is setting, and so now there should be no more talk, no more work, no more activities to be done. Straight away go to your bed, off your lights and take a rest. Now my dear friends, let us recite this poem all together and make end of this video. Bedtime.
The evening is coming, the sun sings to rest, the rooks are all flying straight home to the nest. Causes the rook as he flies overhead. It's time, little people, we're going to bed. The butterfly drowsy has folded its wings. The bees are written, no more the birds sing. Their labor is over, their nestlings are fed. It's time, little people, we're going to bed. Good night, little people, good night and good night. Sweet dreams to you, our eyelids till dawning of light. The evening has come, there is no more to be said. It's time, little people, we're going to bed. It's time, little people, we're going to bed. It's time, little people, we're going to bed.
I hope my dear friends you all must have enjoyed this video. Check your description box for your assignments. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay blessed, stay happy.
Ciao.